of heritage woven into contemporary design. At the heart of this collection lies the Karvat Kinar Sari of Vidarbha, an heirloom of craftsmanship. Woven in Tassar bamboo sourced from Maharashtra Handloom Corporation Limited, Nagpur, each fabric carries the soul of sustainability. Designers Sushma Vaidya and Devika Kharavde reimagined temple architecture into structured jackets. The collection is a collaboration of craft, culture, and creativity woven in Vidarbha, envisioned in Nagpur, and celebrated across India.
Presenting Temples of India. talented designers Devika Kharwade and Sushma Vaidya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause to the two talented designers of NKSSS School of Fashion Technology, Nagpur. and gentlemen, please welcome our chief guest for the evening, renowned actress and the very beautiful Sonali Kulkarni as the showstopper for our collection. Miss Sonali to please be on stage. Sonali, please be on stage. Can I have Sonali Kulkarni please back on stage? A big round of applause for the beautiful Sonali Kulkarni. I would now like to invite our Soft Nagpur LMC members to please come on stage. CA Abhay Kulkarni sir, Chairman of Soft Nagpur LMC, Shri Satyajit Chitray sir, Shri Hemant Ambasalkar sir, Dr. PVS Shastri sir, Secretary MKSSS Pune, Dr. Manju Hundekar ma'am, Director of Development Cell MKSSS Pune, Mrs. Badubala Sabu ma'am, Mrs. Nidhi Gandhi ma'am, Mrs. Kripa Savlani, Principal in charge of Soft Nagpur. I would also like to invite Shri Ashish Kare, Chairman of AID, and Shri Vijay Kumar Sharma, Secretary of AID on stage. I also call on stage Shri Anand Kare sir, Assistant Administrative Officer, and Mrs. Ashwini Bujone, Coordinator of Baya Karve Vocational Training Institute. I now invite Sonali Kulkarni to please step forward, and I request Kulkarni sir and Ashish sir to please felicitate her. I now call on stage our guest of honor, IAS Sanjay Daine, Commissioner of Textiles, Maharashtra State. Daineji is a distinguished administrator whose vision and leadership have been pivotal in strengthening the textile sector of the state. I guess Daine sir could not be here with us tonight. I invite Shri Ashish Kare, Chairman of AID, to please come forward. His visionary leadership has been instrumental in forging meaningful collaborations, including the collaboration between AID and MKSS Soft Nagpur. With his commitment to industrial growth and his encouragement of creative education, Mr. Kare has played a vital role in bridging industry and academia, ensuring that initiatives like Advantage Vidarbha truly empower the region. I request Chitray sir to please felicitate Kare sir. I request Shri Vijay Kumar sir, Secretary of AID, to please come forward. His dedication and tireless efforts have been pivotal in strengthening the collaboration between AID and MKSS Soft Nagpur. Mr. Sharma's commitment to fostering opportunities and nurturing talent has made a lasting impact, and we are truly grateful for this invaluable contribution. I request Ambasalkar sir to please felicitate Sharma sir. I warmly welcome Shri Rajesh Rokde, Director of Rokde Jewellers, on stage. With a legacy built on trust, artistry and timeless craftsmanship, Rokde Jewellers have become a synonymous name with elegance and excellence in jewelry. Rokde Jewellers are the proud jewelry sponsors for the evening. Their creations are not merely ornaments but enduring works of art that reflect heritage and innovation alike. I request Shastri sir to please felicitate Rajesh Rokde sir. I would like to welcome Mrs. Radhika Ingle ma'am, Director of School of Media, Art and Technology, MKSS Pune. She herself is very closely connected to the film industry. And I'm very glad to share with you that Ms. Sonali was a student of ma'am when she was in Symbiosis. I request Kripa ma'am to please felicitate Radhika ma'am. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a distinguished panel of judges this evening. I humbly call on stage Mr. Nitin Srivastav, Works Director, Raymond UCO Denim Private Limited, Yavatmal. With over 3 decades of experience in the textile industry, he has successfully led mega projects, championed sustainability, and earned numerous national and international awards for excellence in environment, energy conservation, and quality. I request Hundekar ma'am to please present Nitin sir with a token of appreciation. Our next judge is Mrs. Madhubala Singh, a dynamic contributor recognized for her outstanding social work and community development initiatives. Honored by organizations such as JCI, Rotary Club, and VAI LEW, she has empowered women through workshops in cooking, home management, and food preservation, earning accolades like the Matra Shakti Samman for her impactful efforts. I request Madhubala Sabu ma'am to please present her with a token of appreciation. Our next judge is Ms. Dhruv Hingle, a prominent fashion designer specializing in customized designer dresses and formal wear for men. I request Nidhi ma'am to please felicitate Dhruv sir. Ladies and gentlemen, the collections that are being showcased here today have been sponsored by some eminent companies of the textile industry. Without their support, it would not have been possible for us to put up such a great show. I request Sri Siddhant Sharma, CEO, Surya Lakshmi Cotton Mills, to please come on stage. I think Siddhant Sharma sir is not here tonight. I would like to welcome Sri Gangadhar Gajbhie sir, Joint MD of Maharashtra Handloom Corporation Limited, Nagpur on stage. We are grateful to Maha Handloom for their generous fabric sponsorship for tonight's collection. I request Anand Kare sir to please felicitate Gajbhie sir. I request Sri Pankaj Gautam sir to please come on stage. He is the founder of Sudhamani Foundation and also a generous sponsor for one of the collections this evening. I think Pankaj sir is not here today. Thank you so much, everyone. Please, you all can please get back to your seats. We thank Crockery Jewelers once again for being the sponsors for tonight's jewelry collection. Tonight, we bring back a few of those garments, not just as designs, but as living testaments to creativity, perseverance, and vision.
Fashion Showcase 2025, a night of glamour and innovation. MKSSS, School of Fashion Technology, Nagpur, showcased their first graduating show, Fashion Showcase 2025, on 10th Feb at a prestigious venue. The event was a glamorous evening attended by some of the most eminent personalities in the fashion industry. The show was presided over by Commissioner of Textile IAS Sanjay Daine, who delivered an inspiring speech about the future of fashion and the importance of nurturing young talent. Esteemed guests included Guest of Honor, Miss Neha Agrawal of Dainik Bhaskar Women's Club, Miss and passion for the fashion design. The third collection, titled GeoHex Try, was the first collection by the final year students and drew inspiration from the industrious honeybee. This collection featured smart formals made in handloom cottons, linens and khadi. The collection saw the use of techniques like origami and cutwork embroidery to form intricate patterns of the honeycomb. Created by designers Pragati Mendke and Dhanashri Bhutke, mentored by Shreyu Batra and Shivani Borikar. This collection was a true testament to their innovative thinking and exceptional craftsmanship. Their ability to blend traditional handloom fabrics with contemporary design elements was truly commendable, earning them accolades from the audience and industry experts alike. The fourth collection, titled Bite Burst, embraced street style with a modern twist.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the review round. and gentlemen, please welcome students of Soft Nagpur. Big round of applause for them. feel the brilliance, the artistry and the passion of our graduating designers. Each collection you will witness tonight is not just fashion, but a story woven with heritage, sustainability and innovation. Before we start the rounds, I would like the judges to take note that these are the collections that you would be judging for the awards. So presenting to you Denim Rewoven, inspired by the durability and timelessness of denim. This collection reimagines denim as a new luxury textile, upcycling slightly damaged denim into woven surfaces symbolizes sustainability and creative reinvention, where each weave structure tells a story of transformation from rejected to reimagined. The collection, designed by Devika Kharwade and Surbhi Keshwani, fuses traditional weaving techniques with modern experimental design, elevating denim beyond its casual identity into sculptural, artistic and couture surfaces. The weave itself becomes a metaphor for interconnectedness and resilience, echoing the cycle of renewal in fashion. Promoting the ethos of circular fashion, the collection extends the life cycle of denim, one of the most resourceful, intensive fabrics, through upcycling and reinvention. The denim fabric for this collection has been generously sponsored by Surya Lakshmi Cotton Mills, whose support underscores the shared commitment to sustainability and innovation in textiles. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Denim Rewoven.
Denim Rewoven. Every flaw has potential. Every thread has a future. This is where Denim Rewoven is born. Instead of waste, we see possibility. Designers Devika Kharwade and Surbhi Keshwani weave innovation into sustainability. Their vision transforms defected denim into woven art. Guided by mentors Dr. Manju Hundekar, Kripa Savlani, and Ashwini Chakole, the collection reflects wisdom, innovation, and responsibility. With denim fabric sponsored by Surya Lakshmi Industries, this collection stands as a testament to collaboration and conscious fashion. Through inventive weaving, denim finds a second life. Each weave reduces wastage. Each design extends the life cycle. Here, circular fashion is not just a concept, it's a commitment.
gentlemen, please welcome our designers Devika Kharwade and Surbhi Keshwani. A big round of applause for the girls. We will also Four Gates, One Story. This collection is inspired by the City Palace of Jaipur, specifically its four magnificent gates, each symbolizing a deity and cultural essence. The unique color palettes of these gates form the foundation of the garments, narrating a story of devotion, heritage and royal aesthetics. Motifs like the lotus, peacock, leheria and intricate floral carvings are translated into textiles, echoing the palace's artistry. Age-old block printing preserves authenticity and showcases Rajasthani craftsmanship. Selected garments employ natural block printing without synthetic pigments, reinforcing eco-conscious practices, further reducing environmental impact. Rich handloom textiles such as banana silk, raw silk, and mulberry silk, generously sponsored by Maharashtra's Handloom Corporation Limited, Nagpur, add natural sheen and luxurious appeal. Smoked effects mirror architectural carvings, adding texture and depth, while kasab embroidery delicately reflects royal grandeur. A subtle ombre effect symbolizes harmony between tradition and modernity. Designed by Sushma Vaidya and Sanika Borkute, the garments are designed to be graceful yet powerful in expression. This collection is a tribute to Jaipur's architectural brilliance, spiritual heritage, and sustainable craftsmanship. The theme of this collection, the Palace Palette, Four Gates, One Story, beautifully narrates the transformation of the royal gates into wearable art. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Palace Palette.
Four Gates, One Story. The City Palace inspires a collection where heritage meets artistry. Each gate, a symbol of tradition, becomes a canvas for design. Designers Sushma Vaidya and Sanika Borkute translate architectural grandeur into wearable art. Guided by mentors Dr. Manju Hundekar, Kripa Savlani, and Sharayu Batra, the collection embodies wisdom, innovation, and responsibility. Crafted in banana silk and raw silk, sponsored by Maha Handloom, the fabrics carry both luxury and sustainability. Block printing breathes heritage into every fold. Smocking adds rhythm and depth to the silhouettes. Ari work celebrates the palace's intricate artistry. The Palace Palette is a collection where architecture inspires fashion. From the grandeur of the city palace to the finesse of silk and craft, this is a story woven in heritage and innovation.
Sushma Vaidya and Sanika Borkute. A big round of applause for them.
फ्रेम में आता है थोड़ा सा इधर जगह ही नहीं है इधर। हाँ सही बात है, सीधा झुक के।
We would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Maharashtra Handloom Corporation Limited, Nagpur, for their generous I request Shri Abhay Kulkarni sir and Shri Chittare sir to please come on stage. I warmly invite Shri Rajendra Singh Khurana on stage, District Governor 24-25 of Rotary Club. At last year's fashion show, Khurana sir had announced a visionary step that we would be setting up an incubation and training center right here in Nagpur. Today, it gives me immense pride to share that in just 1 year, this dream has become a thriving reality. The center at Soft Nagpur campus is now buzzing with energy, with students actively learning, experimenting, and making the most of this platform. It stands as a symbol of our commitment to nurturing talent, fostering innovation, and empowering the next generation of fashion leaders. Rajendra Singh Khurana sir could not be here today. I welcome Shri Abhay Gandhi sir and Mrs. Sharmishta Gandhi ma'am on stage. Abhay Gandhi sir is the past president of Rotary Club of Nagpur West and Sharmishta ma'am is the director vocational. We extend our heartfelt gratitude for their invaluable support in establishing the incubation and training center at the Soft campus. Their vision and generosity have created a space where innovation and learning can flourish, empowering our students for the future. wish to acknowledge the many supporters who, though not present on the stage tonight, have shown immense trust in our institution. Their encouragement and contributions have been vital in helping us grow and flourish. I request Kulkarni sir and Chitresh sir to please take their seats. We would also like to thank Mrs. Harsha Zaria, Mrs. Varshika Hariramni, Mr. Rohan Bhamkar, Mr. Devashish Ghosh, Sri Shahane sir of PV Textiles, Sri Our next collection is a delicate evening wear collection inspired by the timeless beauty and poetry of flowers. Each garment captures the grace of a bouquet, translating nature's quiet elegance into wearable art. The collection celebrates femininity, serenity, and sophistication, while reminding us of the harmony between nature and design. Crafted in cotton silk, a sustainable textile cherished for its softness, durability, and eco-friendly production. The collection showcases evening dresses that are graceful yet contemporary. Natural beige serves as the canvas symbolizing purity and minimalism, while hand-painted floral motifs and refined hand embroidery bloom across the garments, ensuring each piece is unique, timeless, and deeply artisanal. Designed by Sanjana Bonwe, Gayatri Mahurkar, and Arshia Pathan, this collection reflects their shared vision of blending sustainability with artistry. Their work is a testament to how fashion can be both poetic and purposeful. The fabric for this collection has been generously sponsored by Sudhamani Foundation, whose support reinforces the commitment to eco-conscious fashion and nurturing young talent. Presenting to you Floral Whispers.
Whispers of Nature inspire a collection where blossoms bloom into fashion. Hand-painted flowers bring nature's poetry to silk. Designers Sanjana Bondwe, Gayatri Mahurkar, and Arisha Pathan translate delicate floral whispers into timeless silhouettes. Guided by mentors Dr. Manju Hundekar, Kripa Savlani, the collection blossoms with wisdom and artistry. With the fabric sponsored by Sudhamani Foundation, each garment carries the touch of generosity and sustainability. Hand-painted flowers capture the essence of nature's whispers, while the delicate hand embroidery and beadwork add shimmer and soul to every piece.
Presenting Floral Whispers. welcome designers Sanjana Bondwe and Arshia Pathan. We extend our heartfelt gratitude streetwear. It embodies the desert's timeless allure while championing sustainability, craft revival, and cultural continuity. The collection celebrates the spirit of Rajasthan's desert culture, its colors, textures, and traditions, while translating them into a contemporary, youthful language. Crafted in handloom cottons, khadis and twills, the garments are chosen for their eco-friendly production and biodegradability, reinforcing the designer's commitment to sustainability. The palette of warm earthy browns echoes the rolling desert dunes, while accents of embroidery, mirror work, tassels and thread embellishments bring vibrancy and artisanal detail. Each embellishment is hand-executed, supporting traditional livelihoods and reducing reliance on mechanized processes. The silhouettes are distinctly urban, jackets, layered ensembles and bold cuts, merging heritage with streetwear aesthetics. The garments are designed to be versatile, stylish and rooted in culture storytelling, embodying both resilience and reinvention. Desert Rhythms has been envisioned and brought to life by Mokshada Dete, Shamli Bhandarkar and Priya Parikh, designers who have reimagined the desert festival's vibrancy into fashion that speaks to modern silhouettes. This collection is not just fashion, it is a dialogue between tradition and modernity, sustainability and style, heritage and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Desert Rhythms.
Rhythms. From the sands of Rajasthan, where rhythm and tradition meet, emerges a collection inspired by the Camel Festival. Designers Mokshada Dete, Shamali Bhandarkar and Priya Parikh reimagine desert heritage into contemporary street style. Guided by mentors Dr. Manju Hundekar, Kripa Savlani and Niyati Pathak, the collection balances authenticity with innovation. Crafted in khadi and handloom cotton, the fabrics embody sustainability and heritage. Mirror work and thread embroidery echo the nomadic artistry of Rajasthan's Banjaras. Traditional craft finds new rhythm in street style silhouettes. Each stitch reflects the desert's pulse, every motif its rhythm. Desert Rhythms, a celebration of craft, culture and collaboration, woven in heritage, worn in the present.
Presenting Desert Rhythms. Please welcome designers Mokshada Dete, Shamli Bhandarkar and Priya Pari. Mr. Paras Rokde, Director of Rokde Jewelers on stage.